Hello and welcome to this video. This is Nacho with Homes Chula Vista, and today we are in a family park, all ages park called Helena. Helena is one of the most desired parks here in South San Diego. We are on 2626 Coronado Avenue, and this home is number 25. So, well, as you can see, the park is really nice. You know, they are renewing it all the time. They keep it very clean. Very well maintained. Lots of very nice homes here, very new. Because one of the things of this park is that, as you will see, the lots are very big, they're wide, and also the ones on this side is the limit of the park, so they have a lot of privacy as well. So the other thing is that, you can see videos as well about this park. We are 2 minutes from the freeway, the I-5 freeway. We are next to commercial areas, very good schools. 10 minutes from the beach. So this park is really very well connected. And the rent of the space in the park is $1,000 per month. So it's also for what you get, which is also a swimming pool, clubhouse, etc. It's a very good deal. Let's talk about the home. So, as you can see, it has a very big carport. You can fit up to 4 cars in here. And the home is from 2004, but it has only had one owner. And you will see, because he's been taking care of the home in really good. But yeah, well, let's go and see it. Come on, follow me. So, this is the main entrance. And again, he has got this type of steps of composite. They're very good, very sturdy. And yeah, I mean, this is how nice the home is. You have a fireplace. As you can see, there's no carpet. It's all laminated floors and also vinyl, and like I told you, he added that on top of buying the home brand new in 2004, and he has kept it in neat position since. So that is really good. So you have a big dining area. We'll see the kitchen as well, and the other great thing is that it has a split plan. So there are 3 bedrooms, so you have 2 on this side of the home, and then the master with the master bathroom on the other side. So it has, here we're close to the ocean, so there's a lot of breeze, but it has fans, ceiling fans all in every room, and also here in the living room and in the kitchen. That's nice. So come follow me. This is one of the bedrooms. They have it put as a studio, actually, but it's actually a room. It has a big closet in here, so you can use it completely as a room. And the size of the home is big, so it's a 28 wide by 52, so it's a total of 1,456 square foot. And the fact that it's so wide, is very helpful for the rooms, because that makes rooms big enough to accommodate a queen bed, anything that you want without a problem. You have a lot of light here as well. So this is perfect. You want to use it as an office or as another room, of course. Okay, and here is the bedroom number 2. It's a little bit smaller, but again, it's one thing in this home, and the Capco models like this one, it's a very good manufacturer. They offer, you see, it has like a chamfer window that looks very nice, and it has a lot of natural light as well. Again, the floors are laminated as well, and you have here the closet with mirror doors, and the mirror doors are also in very good shape. So again, that's room number 2. And together with these 2 rooms, you have one of the Hang on a second, because the thing on the live, we're going to go, right. Sorry, that's what happens when you get a phone call in the middle of the video, but no problem. I'm still with you. So this is the guest bathroom. Again, here you have a skylight, so that's natural light as well, and you can see it is in very good neat condition. Okay, so let's go, and it has a nice open plan, so you can see everything is connected here. Let's go and see the master bedroom. And the master bedroom is very spacious. The furniture that the seller has right now is very big, so don't think that it occupies a lot of space. But you see, there's a lot of furniture here, but it's quite spacious. It has this double closet all around, and so a lot of opportunity for storage. Again, it has some privacy from the other rooms, which is quite convenient as well. So it's in a split plan. 2 big windows, lots of natural light as well, and a very nice master bathroom. You have the shower here, a jacuzzi tub, double vanity as well, and everything is in very good shape. Okay, so let's continue and go to the kitchen. And again, the kitchen, well, I don't really know what is one of the pluses of this home, because everything looks really nice. But look at this kitchen, very spacious. You have counters all across. It even has your like another dining area separate from, if you want a more formal dining area over there, you can have another one here as well. Before I forget, all the appliances convey. So you had the refrigerator, the stove. This microwave oven is practically new, as well as, for example, the water heater, because the seller, and the dishwasher as well. The seller has been taking care of upgrading everything, and again, another skylight in here to know. So it has the washer and dryer in its own closet area, very very convenient, and washer and dryer are also included. And this is the exit to the back of the house. So it has privacies and fences as well. That, let's say that you want to have a pet or something, that's convenient as well. And look at all this space. That's really nice. The sheds, those 2 sheds, big sheds there, are included as well. This is the limit of the park, and is very high wall. So you have a lot of privacy, and you have low maintenance yard, because the seller tiled everything, and here you can have your carne asada or barbecues. You can have guests. It's very nice. You feel the breeze that we're having right now. Even for you or the family, it's very good, very very convenient. So, well, I think that's all. This home is the first time that we are doing here an open house. It's just been for sale. The price is $289,900 and is financeable. And let me recap on the other things of the home. The rent of the space is $1,000 per month. We are in Helena Mobile Home Park, which is 2626 Coronado Avenue, Space 25, San Diego, California, 92154. The dimensions of the home is 28 feet wide by 52. So a total of 1,546 So that's really good. And the year is 2004, but it has only have one owner, and the manufacturer is Capco. All the appliances convey, and well, it's financiable. You got any questions? As usual, I'm waiting for your comments, and if you want to see anything else, you can call me. If you like the video, hit like and follow me and send it to your friends. And well, I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.